Learning French greetings. Welcome, everyone. Today, we're diving into the charming world of French greetings. Understanding these basic phrases is key to starting any conversation in French with confidence. Let's begin our journey. The most common greeting in French is bonjour, which means good day or hello. It's used from morning until the late afternoon and is suitable for any setting, formal or informal. In the evening, the greeting changes to bonsoir, meaning good evening. It's a smooth way to transition into nighttime conversations. For a casual hello, especially among friends, you can use salute. It's informal and friendly, akin to saying hi or hey in English. When leaving, you'll often hear au revoir, which means goodbye. It's the standard way to bid farewell in most situations. In informal settings, you might hear à bientôt or à plus tard, which mean see you soon and see you later, respectively. These are friendlier and more casual. And if you're leaving late in the evening, say bonne nuit, meaning good night. It's a warm way to end the day. Lastly, merci, meaning thank you, is not a greeting but is essential in polite conversation. Always remember to say merci. That's it for our French greetings guide. With these phrases, you're well equipped to start and end conversations in French. Remember, practice makes perfect. À bientôt.